Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of fabulous lashes that stay put all day, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe, a must-have product for anyone who loves a flawless lash look. This glue promises super strong hold, but is it as good as it sounds? Let's take a closer look. First off, the Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe is formulated with some impressive features. It offers long-lasting lash wear with a super strong hold that's ideal for all-day use. The formula is infused with aloe, which not only soothes, but ensures that your lashes stay in place without irritating your skin. What's more, this glue is waterproof, so you can rock your lashes in any weather. Plus, it's free from formaldehyde and latex, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin or allergies. Oh, and did I mention it's odor-free and cruelty-free? That's a big plus for anyone looking to be conscious about their beauty choices. Using the Kiss Lash Adhesive is a breeze, thanks to its brush-on applicator. The applicator is designed to help you apply a thin, precise line of glue without any mess. Whether you're a lash pro or a beginner, the application is quick and simple. It's also dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, so it's safe for contact lens wearers too. I found that the brush helps to apply just the right amount of glue, reducing any excess or waste. It's a small detail, but a significant one when you're working with something as delicate as eyelash glue. Now let's talk about real-world performance. I've tested this glue in various scenarios, from a casual day out to a full-on night out, and I have to say, it holds up. Whether I was caught in a little rain or teared up from laughing too hard, my lashes stayed right where I put them. I didn't experience any lifting or discomfort, and the clear finish means there's no visible glue line, keeping things neat and natural. But no product is without its drawbacks, right? The biggest con I encountered is the application time. While the brush-on design is helpful, you do need to give the glue a moment to become tacky before sticking your lashes on. It's a minor inconvenience, but something to keep in mind if you're in a rush. Also, the adhesive doesn't dry as fast as some others, so you need to be patient for the best hold. In terms of value for money, the Kiss Clear Lash Adhesive offers great quality without breaking the bank. It's priced competitively, and considering the lasting power, the hypoallergenic formula, and the overall performance, I'd say it's a solid deal. It's a must-have for anyone who wants reliable, long-lasting lashes at an affordable price. When compared to other lash adhesives on the market, Kiss holds its ground. Many lash glues promise strong holds, but not all of them deliver the same comfort or clear finish that this one does. If you've tried other brands that contain latex or irritants, you'll appreciate this more sensitive, skin-friendly option. Plus, the aloe infusion adds a nice touch that other glues just don't offer. The build quality of the packaging is quite solid, and the brush applicator is well designed to provide easy, controlled application every time. In terms of longevity, while I haven't had the chance to test this glue long-term, it does feel like a product built to last. The consistency and performance of the glue suggest that it won't let you down after a few uses. As for customer support, I haven't needed to reach out, but Kiss is a well-known brand with a reputation for quality, so I'd expect any issues to be handled professionally. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of lash glues out there, but few match the Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive's combination of affordability, quality, and sensitive skin-friendly ingredients. However, for a slightly lower price, you could try brands like Duo, which also offers a great range of adhesives, but the performance and formula are often hit or miss. To sum it all up, the Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe is a fantastic option for anyone seeking a reliable, mess-free, and gentle eyelash glue. Its long-lasting hold, easy application, and hypoallergenic ingredients make it a standout in its category. If you're looking to elevate your lash game with a product that delivers, I'd highly recommend giving this one a try. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more beauty tips from Beautyistic. Drop a comment if you've tried this product or have any questions. You can find the link to get it in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, beauty is all about confidence. Bring the salon home with Beautyistic.